Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So friends, today in this video we are watching the latest aluminum wardrobe design ideas and later we will discuss what is the price for aluminum wardrobes. So friends, are you looking for stylish and durable, low maintenance wardrobes for your bedrooms? Aluminum wardrobes are the latest trends in modern interiors. It's giving to your space premium and long life. And aluminum wardrobes comes in wide variety of designs from sliding doors to the hing wardrobes, glass panels to the mirror finishes, and even matte or glow structures. Unlike wooden wardrobes, these are termite proof and waterproof and budget friendly option also, and extremely lightweight. And India aluminum wardrobes are available in different price ranges depending on the size, finish, and design. The first one is a basic aluminum wardrobes. It's 900 rupees to 1200 rupees per square feet, and aluminum with glass or mirror finishes. It's starting at 1500 rupees to high end prices at 2500 rupees per square feet. And premium custom designs 2500 rupees to 4000 rupees per square feet. So friends, and aluminum wardrobes are lightweight and rust proof and termite resistant, making them ideal for Indian diverse of climates. These are lightweight and low maintenance and eco-friendly, and it's built for last years from modern to the minimalist to the luxurious designs available in aluminum wardrobes. So friends, sliding aluminum wardrobes. These are sleek wardrobe with the sliding glass doors in small bedrooms. It's perfect for compact spaces. This wardrobe save the floor space with the doors that glide effortlessly and customized with the mirrors or frosted glass for the chic look. Starting at the price 350 rupees per square foot, around is a 45,000 rupees for 4 into 7 feet wardrobe and aluminum mirror wardrobe. This is a full length mirror doors reflecting the bright in your room. These wardrobes are spacious, feel in the double or dressing mirror also. It's ideal for modern apartments. The starting price is the 400 rupees per square foot and approximately 6,000 rupees, sorry, 60,000 rupees per 5 to 7 feet unit. And aluminum walk-in wardrobe. It's luxurious walk-in wardrobe with LED lighting, shelves and drawers. Transform your bedroom into the boutique style dressing area with ample storage for clothes, shoes and accessories. The price starting at the 80,000 rupees for 9.5 into 7 feet space. And aluminum loft of wardrobes. It's compact loft wardrobe storing the seasonal items. Maximize the vertical space with these clear designs. It's perfect for small homes or extra storage. The price is the 1500 rupees per square foot for 3 into 2 feet price is the, and sometimes the price is the higher because of this depends on the material quality. High grade aluminum with glass or mirror finishes cost is the more, and add on like LED lighting, pull out drawers or custom shelvings increase the price, and larger wardrobes or integrated designs may be vary by region, with cities like Hyderabad, Bangalore or Mumbai offered to the comparative rates. For example, the fully customized three-door sliding wardrobe in can range from 50,000 rupees to 70,000 rupees. So friends, in 2025, aluminum wardrobes are blend style and durability and affordability. And whatever it's sleek or sliding design or luxurious work in these are wardrobes for every budget and space and visit. And so, if you are planning to upgrade your bedroom interiors in 2025, aluminum wardrobes are perfect investment and stylish and strong and built for last years. And it is a budget friendly option also. You can go for it. So, friends, the door hing wardrobes of the 750 rupees per square feet and two door vanity around the 746 per square feet and powder coated hing aluminum wardrobes is the 900 rupees per square feet and basic sliding wardrobe 750 per square feet. So friends, all these are wardrobe designs. You like it? And a quick look of this says around the 300 to 500 rupees per square feet. There's only supply installation costs. Cost would be depend on the days it will be take installation charges. The far right recommendation and contemporary designs of sliding mirror or sliding wardrobes. They save the floor space and look the modern. And looking for luxury look of lacquered or black antique finishes allow with the aesthetic and mind the higher cost. And modular system offer to the flexibility layout of the higher. The price is there. So friends, short-term entry level hing wardrobe options is a 150 rupees to 600 rupees per square feet. So friends, thank you for watching this video.